Hi and welcome to this week's video. This week I'm having a play around with the Maneater block mould. I picked this up from the House of Resin when I was down there doing the workshop, and as I quite like the block moulds, I thought I'd get this one and try it out. I'm going to be using some mould release on this, and it's Mac Wax, which I also got from House of Resin. It's the one I use for my silicone and HDPE moulds. Never tried this mould before, so it really is going to be a bit of a tester, but it looks very nice. The quality of it's very nice. It's got some bungs in the bottom, obviously, to keep it even. This middle bung here, when that comes out, it'll help for releasing it. So I have dyed and stabilised some Chihola wood. It doesn't tend to penetrate deep in, it never does with this, but I put it on the outside. So I'm just going to place this in randomly. I'm using the Divine White and Sky Blue I thought of, but the other blues that I've got in the range are, I've got Cobalt Blue, Paradise Blue and Brilliant Blue. Maybe actually I'll go with Brilliant Blue. Yeah, I think I'll go with Brilliant Blue actually, changing my mind there. And we're just going to do simple two colour. We're going to leave the resin to heat up a little bit, just so that it stops the colours blending, and then we'll get it poured in. I'm actually going to put just a little bit of tape across the top of here just to stop these floating. I don't want them floating up and out of the resin. The resin I'm using today is the Amazing Clear Cast. So I'm going to, I think this mould is roughly about 500 mils. Hi and welcome back. I thought I would come back at the end of this video to talk about what I thought about this mould. This is the first Maneater mould that I've actually ever tried, and it's a lovely little mould, and it makes, you know, a beautiful slab. Unfortunately I've only got two of these left because before I got a chance to finish this final piece of the video, those bits were sold. But I will put a picture up of them all complete. There was only actually got 4 out of it. There was 5, but it was slightly narrow, so I've just put it away for myself. But yeah, the blanks I was absolutely delighted with. The mould had one of the bungs here, the bung that was in the centre. I mean, you've obviously got 4 around there, because it's the last one. This was a centre bung, and what I actually think I probably should have done, in all honesty, was put mould release inside there, because it was a bit of a nightmare pulling this bung out at the end, and it pulled it right out, as you can see. But I think mould release on there will certainly help for the future with that. So no real big problem really, just something to take note of before you use the mould. This mould came from obviously the House of Resin. Goes in and out actually once it's got mould release on fine. So yeah, the mould is great. It does exactly as it says on the tin, and very pleased with it. So if you're looking for one of these moulds, these are obviously Maneater. They come in from the USA, and they are currently available on House of Resin. Like I say, nice mould. They're not going to, you know, they're going to take quite a bit of bashing, so you're going to get quite a few out of this. So yeah, that's a Maneater mould. Very happy with it. Like I say, first time I've tried one of these. I've got another mould that I will test out. You know, I just happened to, because I got a chance to have a good look around the House of Resin when I was down, I got an opportunity to pick up some other bits and pieces before I came home, and I think this was one of the ones I wanted to try. So I shall leave some pictures up after, but I hope you enjoyed, and thanks very much for watching.